video of Jack food. In today's video, we will be picking up some nice stuff from my veggie patch. So let's go. So first we're gonna. Alright guys, for my chicken curry, I need to go my vegetables. I'm gonna pick some nice chili for my garden. I as well need some tamanga basil. So let's just get that. There we go. As well, we got some lime leaves. Very nice, and I love lime leaves, guys. As well, we need to get a little bit of tamanga basil. Now we're gonna be cutting some tomato chili. Let's cut this one first. One. We only need two. We're going to be picking up some tomato basil. And then we need some talinga basil.
Hold on this.
Guys, this chili, we're gonna cook the chili and we're gonna cook my tomatoes. And talingi basil. So we're gonna be using them to cut the stuff. And this tomato is ripe cherry tomatoes. And this chili is called falaka chili. Falaka chili. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I know it was quick, but sorry, I need to go. Bye, subscribe, good.